Okay, Yuema 750 or whatever. Whew, that's interesting, isn't it? That might be the first publicly available recorded pick of a Yuema 750. Oops. Let me show you. This is, I mean, it's not guttable. There's the I think that's the pin that holds it in. As you see, the core spins freely. Oops. Unless the proper key is in there. Oops. And then it opens. And what it's a trick, really. If you have the lock open and you remove it in a particularly careless way, oops. There, you can get the core to bind. And so that's that. I'm going to see if I can try to do it again, but so this, I mean, understandably, this might be kind of a form of cheating because it requires the key to have been removed in a very particular way. But you go and the sliders have virtually no security features because of the special core. It just doesn't need them. So probably doesn't count or whatever, but that is a public pick of sorts of a Yuema 750. Again, entirely relying on the key being removed in a particularly careless way. But in such an instance, the core, I think it's maybe the outer sidebar gets jammed up in there and then allows it to lock, and the key be removed with maybe only a couple of the wafers needing to be set, and it gets jammed up in such a way that you can actually tension the core. So there it is.